Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears and welcome the 2020 all new Nissan Magnite. अब ये गाड़ी Nissan के लिए काफी important है. The kicks was quite some time ago. This is their all new car after a long time. ये जो Nissan Magnite sub 4 meter compact SUV है, this was previously going to be launched under the Datsun brand, but the Datsun brand is going to be axed in the years to come. So this is coming in as a Nissan product here in the Indian market. ये जो Nissan Magnite है, it is made in India, but it is made for the world. It is going to be exported to key emerging markets as well. इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं about the exterior design of this compact SUV. It is a sub 4 meter product, so you can, consider competition to be the Hyundai Venue, the Kia Sonet, Maruti Suzuki's Vitara Brezza, Toyota's Urban Cruiser, and the Tata Nexon, Ford EcoSport, and Mahindra's XUV 300. अभी ये गाड़ी लॉन्च तो नहीं हुई है, but from the leaked documents, the expectation is that this car is going to be priced starting at rupees 5.5 lakh ex showroom, and that is a super competitive price tag. चलिए देख लेते हैं क्या है ऐसा खास on the outside of this Nissan Magnite. What are the exterior design highlights? सबसे पहले तो जब आप इस गाड़ी को सामने से देख लेते हो, you will notice that the front grille is reminiscent of the Datsun cars that we have seen before. You will notice you have a healthy dose of chrome over here, और जो primary grille section है, you will notice that you have this dark grey finish and you have the new Nissan logo with white accents slapped on this grille section. Grille section जो है, it is going to allow a lot of air to be passed inside the engine bay area for better cooling efficiency. And just look at the grille, it is nice and wide, so it adds to the overall stance and the appearance of this Magnite from the front end. Then what I really like are the sleek LED headlamps. You can notice you have a projector setup. The headlamps are very nicely integrated over here with the bonnet shut line, with the bumper and the front fender, and it looks quite nice, quite appealing. You have chrome accents and a smoked effect in this headlamp cluster, and then lower down you will notice you have this very big LED DRL. Again, the DRL section also has these chrome accents, and then you have a projector type front fog lamp, which again is an LED unit. इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे आप देख लीजिए, you have this chrome accent which adds to the stylish treatment to the front end design. You have a healthy dose of body cladding, and then lower down on the bumper you will also notice that you have this skid plate effect which adds to the overall SUV appearance of this Nissan Magnite. Then look up top, you will notice that on the bonnet you have plenty of cuts and crease lines. This also adds a nice dynamic appearance to this Nissan Magnite. और आप ये जरूर कह सकते हो that as per 2020 standards, this car is a good looking product, and compared to competition, it is not at all boring. Now coming to the side profile of this Nissan Magnite, the first thing that you have to notice for this particular variant is the dual tone paint scheme. Check it out, roof जो है, it is finished in white. You have a nice floating roof effect because the A-pillar is finished in this matte black texture. You have this blackout tape over here. The B-pillar also has a blackout tape. Then come up to the front end again. You will notice इस गाड़ी पे आपको 16-inch alloy wheels दिए गए हैं. The alloy wheels are diamond cut. You have Seat tires over here, and they fill up the wheel well area quite nicely. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो that the body cladding is also quite generous, quite a thick plastic which you can notice over here. You have this kink over here, लेकिन यहाँ पे कोई turn indicator position नहीं किया गया है. The wheel arch is slightly squared off in design, and it looks quite nice with the overall theme of the car. On the front fender, you will notice you have this Nissan Magnite branding. Doesn't look tacky at all. काफी decently यहाँ पे इसे position किया गया है. This applique over here, and then the rear view mirror is finished in white because you have the dual tone paint scheme here on this particular variant, and you will notice it also has a camera over here because the Nissan Magnite has segment best 360-degree camera support. This is really good, and this is very useful at times when you think that the parking spot is a little tight, or if you are driving this car in some tricky situation. Again, come up close to the roof area. You will notice you have silver satin finish on the roof rail, and these roof rails are also functional, and this is going to allow you to add some extra weight if you want to carry some extra luggage. अब ये Magnite जो है, it is loaded with features. It has quite a few segment first and segment best features, but it doesn't get a sunroof. I wish it was offered as an option, क्योंकि आज की डेट में जब लोग एक टॉप ट्रिम खरीदना चाहते हैं for any car, they do ask about a sunroof. Not that it makes any big difference here in our hot and humid conditions, but people have started to expect that and people are actually loving that. On this DLO section, you will notice you have a chrome element. This also adds a nice stylish touch to the side profile of the car, and adding more chrome, you have that on the door handles and even on the front passenger side. यहाँ पे भी आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट सेंसर दिया गया है क्योंकि इस गाड़ी में आपको ट्रू कीलेस एंट्री मिल जाती है। लोअर डाउन आप देख लीजिए कि आपको फिर से बॉडी क्लैडिंग मिल रही है एंड यू हैव दिस सिल्वर फिनिश एज डोर मोल्डिंग ओवर हियर। और नीचे यहाँ पे जो व्हील बेस सेक्शन है, देयर इज कंप्लीट बॉडी क्लैडिंग, तो आपके बॉडी का जो पेंट है वो चिप नहीं होने वाला है, just in case if you are driving this car on really bad roads, on really rough roads, and pebbles are going to be kicked up on the body. So this is going to protect your paint, and this is something that I really appreciate. Coming to the rear end, you will notice that पीछे आपको drum brakes ही मिल जाते हैं. With the Nissan Magnite, you do not get all 4 disc brakes, but that is something that is okay. Segment standards के हिसाब से ये ठीक ठाक है. You have really nice 195 patch tires. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर आप ये गाड़ी खरीद लेते हो, you are going to have to update the tires instantly. Now looking at the car from the rear end design, you will notice you have this very nice tail lamp cluster. Tail lamp जो है, it is not a full LED unit. You will notice it that it has very nice detailing and it is quite a big tail lamp unit. It integrates very nicely with the side profile and then with this tailgate as well. आपको काफी bold Magnite branding दी गई है on the tailgate. You have the same new Nissan logo. Because today we have the turbo petrol variant, तो यहाँ पे भी आप turbo की branding देख सकते हो. And then lower down on the bumper, you will notice you have a healthy dose of body cladding. You again have these silver accents over here. You have a skid plate effect. You have integrated rear reflectors which have been tucked in very nicely. आपको reverse parking sensors भी यहाँ पे देखने मिलेंगे. You have a reverse parking camera as well. और अगर आपको tailgate open करना है, the request sensor is positioned over here. So you will have to, find it very accurately, otherwise you are going to fiddle around with the camera of this Nissan Magnite. Other design touches on the Nissan Magnite which also help in the aero efficiency. आप देख लीजिए यहाँ पे आपको एक काफी बड़ा spoiler दिया गया है. It has this subtle kink over here and Nissan has confirmed that this has been done for aero efficiency. You have a big antenna up top and then even on the side profile over here on the rear wheel arch section, you will notice this extension. This also helps in the overall aero efficiency of the car. Side profile पे आप देख लीजिए कितने cuts और crease lines आपको दिए गए हैं. You can notice this very bold waistline which enhances the stance of the car. It gives the car a nice squatting stance जब आप इसे पीछे से देख लेते हो. And then you have a very nice and prominent front wheel arch as well. And then there are these cuts and crease lines on the side profile which help the car look that much bolder and that much more modern and that much more stylish. So this is the Nissan Magnite in its top trim. This is the dual tone option and this is the turbo petrol manual gearbox trim which we have with us today. Comments में बताइए क्या लगता है आपको about the design of this car. But meanwhile, now I'm going to start the car and I'm going to pop open the hood because I want to show you if at all there are any vibrations with this turbo petrol 3-cylinder motor. So check this out. When you pop open the hood, you can notice that the engine does its typical shake dance because this is the 3-cylinder motor. कोई engine head cover आपको यहाँ पे देखने नहीं मिलेगा. I just wish कि एक engine head cover यहाँ पे दिया जाना चाहिए था. It just makes the engine bay look that much more stylish and that much more modern and well thought of. लेकिन इसमें आपको कोई complaint नहीं होने वाले हैं because there is nothing that you have to do over here, do you? You have a sound deadening material over here under the hood, so this is also going to help in your NVH department. And now come up close to the door section. The Magnite has a 3-cylinder motor under the hood, this turbo petrol motor. And now check out the vibrations which you can notice on this door trim. You can notice it, it is very visible. तो आपको वो 3-cylinder nature जो है वो जरूर महसूस होने वाला है, especially at a standstill and when you are releasing the clutch and when you are picking up pace. लेकिन एक बार आप गाड़ी चलाना शुरू कर देते हो, once the RPM climbs over 1500, you are not really going to find this to be troublesome. So let me know what you think about this Nissan Magnite. क्या आपको लगता है कि ये गाड़ी जो है in the Nissan showrooms, is it going to help attract more car buyers? Is Nissan finally going to make a cut here in the Indian market? The previous cars have not really helped the brand grow that strongly, but this car looks quite promising, and especially at the pricing which has been leaked by now, it is a very worthy product in the compact SUV segment. Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. If you have any other queries, do ask us. We have a separate video for the CVT automatic driving experience. हमने एक और अलग वीडियो अपलोड किया है for the manual gearbox driving experience, and there is a separate video for the interior, the space and the features that you will get with this Mag9. So see you soon. Always drive safe, always wear your seatbelt, and guys, say no to road rage.